5 seconds. His knowledge of languages has been of great advantage to him commercially. The chairman's report was received with angry remonstrances from the shareholders who were of the opinion that there had been some falsification in the representation of the financial standing of the company. The buildings and the yard have been much neglected. There has never been any immediate prospect of our mortgaging the buildings. On the 3rd, we sent you a telegram. You have never acknowledged this telegram. Why have you neglected to acknowledge it? Is this your usual practice? Can you inform me whether there is any improvement in the child's eye? It is impossible for me to inspect that child without difficulty. When it is very cold, there is usually an electricity shortage all over England. The subject on which the representative is to speak is insignificant in importance. Several remarkable gold objects have been sent to us for identification. When expenditure exceeds income, the result is bankruptcy. Shorthand is indispensable to a reporter. He cannot do without it. There was only one performance, and that was more than sufficient. There is no justification for his regular conduct. As an administrator, his jurisdiction extends over several thousand miles of native territory. Can you show any justification for this expenditure? A denomination is a name for a group or class of things. A passenger was able to give the police a circumstantial report of the accident. The signification of this inscription is quite beyond me. Wheresoever and whatsoever the objective, great attainments are proportionate to a belief in oneself. The unanimity of the members on the subject of reorganization is most remarkable. Usually, the young gentleman called at the university yesterday. He is to take coaching in mathematics. I am responsible for this child. To do all you wish would give them too much to do and would be, I think, beyond them. Why do you put it on when you think it too large for you? Who so was it? It should be different today. I think, and you ought to come. We believe have justification to be the truth in all circumstances, but ours, I think you ought to do it for them, and I wish you would. Should you have a wish to go with them, I think I shall come with you too, as we have to remember the number of people who believe in the doctor has become much larger during the year. It was a pleasure to be there when the principal delivered his remarks to the young people. As you are usually first in languages, we think you ought to go with him. Do you think can do this? We think you should speak on this special subject as it is a subject on which you can influence most of them. Most of those who come to me for this subject can themselves speak several languages already. Gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to me to be with you today and to tell you of the wonderful year's trading that we have had. Several things have influenced him to do what you wish, and I shall go with them tomorrow. To be sent to that particular school is a golden opportunity for the child, as the instruction given there is unequaled. As the child is rather young, we think that he should be put under the care of the guard. We can quite understand why word was sent that the writer would go, as it was a wonderful opportunity for him. We have to thank you for the valuation of the 2 chairs, but to tell you the truth, we think them surprisingly dear. We are generally of the opinion we should do all we can on his behalf in the very difficult circumstances. Most of the people nearby have remarked on the surprising number of calls the doctor had during the year. Can you give me any information as to whether the principal was there and whether there was justification for the remark? What advantage do you think it has to the northern people to have a southern member to speak on this behalf? I cannot tell you whether there are any objections to your doing this, as the school is under the jurisdiction of the principal. It is probable that a large proportion of the preliminary subscriptions have been the outcome of our advertisements in your publications. Our difficulty is that there is a substantial and disproportionate deficiency in our subscriptions this year. A preliminary advertisement has already been published and a substantial number of subscriptions have come in. How much is owing to us for the year? I am surprised that the university representative neglected to call on the distinguished doctor when he was in New York.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.